What's up guys, my name is Greene and I just got a new camera, a Sony HDR CX130, and I'm about to make more videos for you guys because, you know, obviously I actually have my own camera now, so here we go. Starting out up top, I got Fly Lago 2 bars, Stolen Money grips, Odyssey power ends, Fit down low regular stem, Animal headset, United Squad V2 forks, Occult Doomsday peg, Knight front hub guard, Gsport marmoset front hub, Odyssey HGS spokes, the Gsport hex nipples, and Gsport Birdcage rim. I have Odyssey Aitken K-lyte tire up there. For my frame, I have a Cult OS that I kind of rawed and painted it matte black. I've had this frame for a while. I just keep painting it and changing up the colors and stuff. But yeah, okay. And then I have a premium fat seat, animal, pivotal, stump, post, whatever, profile, BMX cranks, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, animal bottom bracket, Eastern Medusa Sprocket, Shadow Interlock V2 chain. Then in the back I have a Gsport ratchet laced to a Gsport Birdcage with Odyssey HGS spokes and Gsport hex nipples. And then I have another Cult peg and a Gsport ratchet guard. That's pretty much it. That covers my bike. I don't know if I mentioned it or not. Odyssey K-lyte tire in the back. And that pretty much covers my bike. And here's a hub sound. Alright, that's my bike. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. I'll have more BMX videos up soon. And alright, ask any questions if you want.